Good evening, everyone. I'm Ruchita, your host. Welcome to today's session of NutriLift 360. Tonight, we bring to you an insightful session on weight management: what, when, and how much to eat, and the role of nutrition in weight loss. We will hear from the experts who have done it and are now helping others too. To begin this session, it is my honor and privilege to invite Farooq Tarapur. He, ladies and gentlemen, is an Olympian, two-time world champion in sailing, and has had an active sporting career of 40 years. He's won innumerable awards, including the Chhatrapati Shivaji Award and the Arjuna Award. And most importantly, he's a mentor to each and every one of us on the group with the mission Har Ghar Healthy, Har Ghar Medicine Free. Let's welcome him onto this virtual stage and listen to him very, very keenly. Over to you, Farooq.
Thank you, Chita, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to this exciting Friday session. I just hope that you had your early dinner and done some exercise, because there's nothing worse that you can do for your holistic health and for your weight loss program if you have a late night dinner and go to sleep. That is by far the worst thing that you can do. So in a weight loss program, most people think of the diets, most people think about the macro and the micronutrients. But the most important element is that during your weight loss journey, you need to find a way to lose your fat and convert that to muscle. And for that, you need to do some exercises. So, we got this whole website on which we have, given simple exercises that people who cannot join the gym, you're busy in office, can also do it. Trust me, if you just make a strong decision that you want to really, lose weight for the right reasons, then it's going to be an easy journey all along as far as your weight loss is concerned. Today, you're very lucky because you're going to be listening from somebody who was an IT professional, top-level director. And I mean, she didn't believe that she could do it. But once she joined this community and got onto the program and started applying, small principles, one step at a time, she made an amazing transformation. Her transformation journey is totally amazing. And if you look at the real journey, you won't even believe that it was possible. So listen to Veda very carefully, because what she has to have will have a significant impact on your holistic health. Over to you, Veda.
Thank you so much, Farooq. And yes, as Farooq mentioned, thanks to Farooq's guidance and, of course, Raj as well. And I think consistent and persistent guidance was able to take care of my health by losing weight. Now, it wasn't easy, but it wasn't easy to gain as well, right? It doesn't happen in a day's time. Let me just start the presentation just a second. Okay, nothing worthwhile is ever easy, correct? But it is definitely worthwhile to be dropping those extra kilos, because you will gain a huge amount of health. Now let's see how it is done and how it is done right. Because बहुत बार हम सब ने, I'm sure at some point of time or the other in our life, have gone through some weight management journey. Either mostly it is weight loss. There are some cases जो हम मिलते हैं, जहाँ पे weight gain की भी कोशिश करते हैं. And the most important thing is, try करते हैं, sustainable नहीं रहता है. Lose करते हैं, then they gain again, the same amount of weight or even more. And they've kind of given up. और मेरी भी कहानी वही थी. Tried all the diets, tried all the things. Of course, exercise was something that I hardly ever did because of my nature of my job, etc. Is program ke through, it was balanced so well that the weight loss was sustainable. I'll show you how I was earlier. But first, let's go about understanding कि किस वजह से हमारा weight increase होता है, क्या contribute करता है. We all know a few things, but let's just remind ourselves. Mostly weight gain 99% of the time is because of overall lifestyle. And lifestyle में ये पूरी चीज आ जाती है जो इस झाड़ के around दिखाया है. Okay, poor gut health is actually a symptom of because of what we do, unhealthy eating habits, eating at any point of time, eating processed food, eating all of these junk food. Nutrient deficiency also causes overweight. You will see in one of the slides. I'm not just saying that, okay, अच्छा खाना नहीं खाया तो weight बढ़ता है. High amounts of stress. There is a correlation between stress, eating cycle, sleeping cycle, and your weight. Medicines. There are many medicines, prolonged consumption of medicines that actually causes your weight increase also. A lot of medications have, how does the weight increase? It's also because some of these medicines impact different hormones, and then hence it impacts your weight as well. Environmental stressors, genetic. Even though you may say that, okay, मेरे घर में सब obese थे, अब इसलिए we are obese, this is still something that you can control. Okay, it is still in your hand. Don't just give up saying that ये तो genetic है, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. नहीं, हम कर सकते हैं. Due to certain health conditions, not getting good quality of sleep, and of course, lack of physical activity, which is the problem of today, right? We hardly have 25 minutes of movement or physical activity in a day. That's the average, activity today. That's scary, right? India has the third largest obesity population in the world after US and China. You may say कि हाँ हमारी population ही इतनी बड़ी है, but we are supposed to be a developing nation. Developing nation में obesity is not really heard of, right? 1 out of 4 women and 1 out of 5 women are overweight in India. In fact, most of us are bordering, the obesity levels. Annual increase in adult obesity in India is at that point of time is basically 5.2%. In fact, it is going even faster because at least abhi thodi si awareness hai, but shayad that awareness is not there ki right way mein kaise kiya jaye so that it is sustainable. And that is exactly what this whole program, what Farouk's mission is, what all my mentors' mission is, to be gaining health by losing weight in a sustainable fashion so that we can retain it forever, right? What are the hidden risks? Cardiovascular diseases, your cholesterol levels will go high, which in turn then will increase risks of, a heart attack or a stroke. Diabetes directly, obesity, say insulin is not able to break down your food, fat, store hota hai. You start, आप जब होते हो तो अंदर का जो मोटापा है, it starts pressing on your bones, and hence you start getting muscle and skeletal disorders, right? And then another side effect is because PCOD, hypothyroidism, where thyroidism की वजह से weight बढ़ता है. This is all linked. It is all linked to the lifestyle that we lead. Okay, the base is the lifestyle. What are the consequences of an excess weight? 2 तरह के consequences है. Physical जो हमें दिखता है, fitness levels, lethargy, fatigue, हमेशा थकावट महसूस होना, move नहीं कर पाते हैं, very easily. Then because of the pressure of the weight, when you're obese, the bones become brittle. बहुत जल्दी fractures वगैरह हो जाती है. But psychological impact भी है, in which I had also gone through. Okay. बोलते हैं लोग, don't worry about your body image and all, but हमें भी पता है, अंदर से कि भाई it matters. Everyone wants to look good. Okay. You may say there are times where I have gone through that phase where it doesn't matter how I look. Okay. It's okay if I'm fat and all of that. Now I can't do anything about it. But we can do something about it. Even if it is genetic, we can do something. There is a solution in correcting your lifestyle, habits. Socioeconomic burden, you will start spending more on your medical bills. Quality of life will, will drastically reduce क्योंकि आप move ही नहीं कर पाओगे ज़्यादा. You'll not enjoy the holidays. You'll be always tired. You'll not be able to enjoy the different, active sports, for example. ठीक है, lower motivation. So these are the consequences अगर excess weight है तो. अभी आप measure कैसे करोगे, right? How will you measure कि मेरा weight सही है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, या हम obesity में है? दो बहुत easily calculatable जो आप खुद कर सकते हो घर पे मेथड्स है. वन इज वे योरसेल्फ एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका बीएमआई क्या है, जो लेफ्ट में है, ठीक है, राइट, आई विल कम टू लेटर. बीएमआई क्या है? इट इज योर बॉडी मास इंडेक्स. ठीक है, हाउ डू यू मेजर इट? समझो इट इज वेट, जो भी आपका वजन है आज, डिवाइडेड बाय हाइट, बट मीटर्स में. I'll give an example. I wanted to share the calculator. Let me just see if I can share so that you understand it better. Just a second. Okay, so I'm assuming you all can see the calculator. Suppose किसी का अभी unfortunately 3-4 हफ्ते से काफी 4-5 लोगों से मिली हूँ जिनका वजन 100 किलो है. ऑन एन एवरेज इंडिया में हाइट इतनी भी लंबी नहीं होती है. It is around 5'1", 5'2". I'll take my height. It is 5'1". If I were 100 kgs, ठीक है, it would be, and my height is 5'1", my height in meters it will be 1.55. ठीक है, I divide 100 by 1.55, okay, and then again by 1.55. ठीक है, this is giving me my BMI, which is 41. अभी इस स्केल में देखो WHO क्या बोलता है, ये सब हमने नहीं ड्राफ्ट किया है, आप गूगल में भी जाओगे यही मिलेगा. WHO बोलता है 41 के इसमें यू आर एक्सट्रीमली ओबीस, वेरी वेरी सिवियर. 30 और 39 और 40 के बीच में यू आर ओबीस. ओवर वेट इज 25 to 30. बट ये भी आप एक चीज देखो, इधर एशिया पैसिफिक में एक अलग what do you say number system है for BMI. क्यों? क्योंकि we usually tend to gain weight पेट के वहां पे, which is even more risky, okay, which actually indicates cardiovascular like your heart issues and all of that, which is leading to higher risk of stroke. And hence Asian, and because of our way of food, the food that we eat, our cultures, different whatever, we eat more oily food, etc., right? तो इट इज एब्सोल्युटली नेसेसरी कि एज अ थंब रूल जो WHO डिफाइन करता है फॉर द वर्ल्ड, हमें करना है एटलीस्ट 2 इंडाइसेस लोअर. तो व्हाट इज योर नॉर्मल BMI फॉर अस इन इंडिया इज एनीवेयर बिटवीन 18.5 to 23. आपका जो भी वजन हो आप उल्टा करो, ठीक है, आपका हाइट क्या है, हाउ विल यू नो कि आपका वजन कैसे होना चाहिए. My height again coming to 1.55, correct? Let me try and do this. Okay, I'll clear. Now, what is the, if I want to achieve 23, okay, which is the bare minimum normal for this, what I'll do, 23 into 1.55 into 1.55. It is 55. तो मेरा ideal weight है 55. मतलब अगर मेरा 100 किलो वजन है तो I need to drop 45 kgs. I took a little time. Okay, I took a little time to explain this क्योंकि ये जरूरी है हमें समझना कि अभी हम किस लेवल पे हैं. Then only we can create a new target. अभी आप बोलोगे my God वेदा 45 kgs या 40 kgs या 30 kgs, मुझे तो फिर 5-5 किलो ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा. No. Come to this program. We will help you drop the right weight to 3 kgs per month, not more than that, क्योंकि हमें सस्टेन करना है. दूसरा मेजर जो आपको समझेगा, आप बोलोगे आपका BMI is probably okay, but can you also measure your waist to hip ratio? Waist क्या है? ये जो navel के वहां पे है, and hip is where you sit, right? Their whole hip. So when you measure that, in short, females के लिए 0.8 होना चाहिए. 0.8. Males के लिए 1. मतलब you need to have a straight one. Okay, females is slightly curved. अगर आपका 0.8 से ज्यादा है और इधर अगर 1 से ज्यादा है, you are at a high risk of cardiovascular diseases. That is your immediate. आपको कोई टेस्ट की करनी भी जरूरत नहीं है. You will know with these two that your weight is higher. Higher weight leads to many issues. ठीक है? Now, अभी क्या क्या impact करता है weight को? We are very clear, and more, studies, research, and more experience is showing us that जितना आप late खाते हो, okay, it is impacting you in a very negative way. Even if you're eating a bowl of salad in the night at 11 o'clock or 2 o'clock, it is impacting you negatively. And hence, it is very important कि आप time restricted eating follow करो. मतलब 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. max. Okay? Not 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. No. Then it is going to affect you negatively. You need to be having your first meal by 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 max. 9 is ideal, or within 2 hours of waking up. Next meal anytime between 12:30 to 2, and then your last meal by 7:30 max. अगर आप वो करते हो, Farooq sir did a very beautiful session on time restricted eating. I'm not an expert to be talking to you on that, but if you can ask the person who has invited you for the recording of that session, you will understand कि रात का जो fasting है, रात का fasting, सुबह के fasting नहीं, because you need the energy. रात का जो fasting है उससे क्या, how does it really work, and why when you have this time restricted eating, you will remain fitter. Okay, your body weight will be optimum, oxidative stress will be reduced, inflammations will be reduced. Okay, all of that will ensure that you're fitter. Next, in weight management, kya zaruri hai? First and foremost, correct this night eating. That's the first thing that anyone can do. Anyone eating food, even if you feel you're fit, start eating your last meal by, ensure you finish your last meal by 7:30 max. You will see a huge difference. The second thing that you can do is your morning nutrition. आप सुबह क्या खा रहे हो और कितने बजे तक खा रहे हो? ओके, सुबह का जो खाना है, ओके, यू नीड टू हैव, अगर आपको वेट मैनेज करने के लिए, हाउ इट विल हेल्प इज इट विल प्रोवाइड योर एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स. अगर आपने ढंग का खाना खाया, नॉट ब्रेड एंड जैम और ब्रेड बटर एग, नो, दैट इज नॉट अ न्यूट्रिशियस morning breakfast. Okay, consuming a variety of nutrients in the morning ensures your body gets the protein, fiber, carbs as well, yes, complex carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So you need to have all of this in the morning. सुबह जब उठते हो आप, when जब bike चलाते हैं, right, or any car or something, you need to give that ignition. That food that we eat is triggers our metabolism. क्योंकि जब रात को सोते हैं तो सब metabolism goes low, everything is gone into repair mode. Only the right food will give you the energy for the whole day. What you eat in the morning ensures you're maintaining your blood sugar levels also. अगर आपने सिर्फ कार्ब्स और कार्ब्स खाया सुबह, तो आपके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स स्पाइक हो जाएंगे और इमीडिएटली क्रैश भी हो जाएंगे, लीडिंग टू reduced energy levels by the afternoon, और आपको इतनी थकावट होगी कि आपको काम करने को नहीं होगा. Hence, सुबह जो खाते हैं वो very important है. These are the two things if you can just take care of. Third, it is a simple equation. आपको कैसे समझेगा कि आपको कितना खाना है? Correct? कि दिन में, of course, 3 meals only, no snacking, very strict no snacking, and you will be able to avoid snacking if you're eating the right portions. But पूरा दिन में कैलोरीज कितना खाना है, कैसे समझेगा? Simple equation, जो हम खा रहे हैं, it is giving us some energy in the form of calories, right? Or rather calories, which translate into energy and all of that. But अगर हम ज्यादा खाएंगे और हमारा जो BMR है, not BMI, BMR is basal metabolic rate, मतलब हमारा better metabolism contributes to, look at this circle here, 70% of the energy expenditure. Rest of it comes from exercise. NEAT हमने कुछ हफ्ते पहले सुना था, it is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. TEF is thermic effect of food. कुछ खाना जब खाते हैं, they take more time to digest. They burn more calories like proteins, complex carbs. Those are food items that take more time to break down and hence expend more energy. ये सब मिला के अगर ये और ये इक्वल है तो वेट मेंटेन होगा, जैसे आपका है आज वही रहेगा। बट अगर आपका फूड का कैलोरीज इनटेक अगर कम है और ये जब ज्यादा है, दैट्स व्हेन यू विल गो फॉर वेट लॉस। तो यू विल से वेदा ठीक है मैं एक टाइम खाना खाती हूँ सुबह का ब्रेकफास्ट, तो मेरा कैलोरीज भी मेंटेन हो जाएगा। प्लीज 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 डू नॉट डू दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट द राइट वे। योर लंच इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आपको थ्रू आउट द डे एनर्जी चाहिए फॉर योर वेरियस एक्टिविटीज। एंड हेंस वी से morning breakfast, eat like a king. Then you eat probably the lunch like a prince or whatever, and your dinner should be like a pauper, यानी एक गरीब आदमी के जैसा कम खाना चाहिए, ठीक है? बिकॉज रात को हमारी बॉडी रेस्ट में जाती है, नो एक्सपेंडिचर। सो फॉर वेट लॉस सिंपल, जो कैलोरीज इनटेक होती है दैट शुड बी लेसर देन कैलोरीज एक्सपेंडेड। आपको नहीं समझेगा, प्लीज आस्क योर हेल्थ बडी or ask on the group ki what should be my total calories in the day. They will help you find out. What do you eat? हमने देखा रात को नहीं लेट खाना चाहिए, सुबह अच्छा खाना चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशियस फूड, करेक्ट? You need to eat lesser than what you expend, or rather ज्यादा calories expend करो and what you're eating. Now, what do you eat? You need some strong material. जब आप घर बनाते हो, आप you're making a house for your whole life and probably for generations to come. लेकिन जब हम खाना खाते हैं हम उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। We think that our body चल जाए, हो जाएगा, दवाई है। Unfortunately, whatever we give, the protein that we eat or not eat forms the base of our body, right? अगर आपने ढंग का खाना नहीं खाया तो basic cellular issues हो जाएंगे. Why are we seeing more and more heart related problems? We are seeing a lot of cancer problems coming up and all. Everything is related. Everything is related with your lifestyle habits, with the food that you're eating, with not having the nutritious food, more processed food, more packaged food, all of that, right? See, diet high in processed food, sugar, unhealthy fats can lead to poor metabolism, weight gain, and various health issues. Whereas, agar aapne nutritious diet rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals provides your body with essential nutrients. So you need to be, please, थोड़ा आपको लगेगा कि भाई टाइम नहीं है। मैं फरूक को बोलती थी, आई यूज्ड टू आर्ग्यू विद फरूक, Farooq, do you know my time? I used to work from 8 a.m. till 11:30 in the night. How can I even think about what I'm going to eat? He said, if you have a goal, okay, if you want to get healthy, you have to take out that 5 minutes to plan what you have to eat the next day. You can plan during the weekend when you don't have calls on Sunday. Never took any excuse. And trust me, all that we say are excuses. ओके अभी आपका फूड प्लेट कैसे होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी अ बैलेंस्ड फूड प्लेट। हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि कार्ब्स मत खाओ, बिल्कुल ही नहीं। लेकिन आपका जो कार्ब्स जो खा रहे हैं, जो सीरियल खा रहे हैं, मोस्टली कार्ब्स कहाँ से मिलता है? सीरियल से, राइट? जो आप सीरियल्स खा रहे हैं उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स ऐड करो, एंड उसका जो पोर्शन है, इंडियन थाली अगर देखो तो कार्ब सबसे ज्यादा पोर्शन रहता है ना? चावल रहता है, पूरी रहता है, रोटी रहता है। That is excessive carbs. We have mithai also, which is again giving us refined carbs. What should it be? It should be a little, slightly more than 1/4. If you can correct this, इसीलिए इस प्रोग्राम में हम कोई डाइट प्रिस्क्राइब, बहुत बार मेरे पास कोई लोग आते हैं बोल के, वेदा जो दूसरे डाइटिशियंस देते हैं ना, आप भी मुझे लिस्ट में बता दो कि ये खाना है सुबह, ये खाना है दोपहर को, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। मैं उनको पूछती हूँ वो जो उन्होंने दिया आप फॉलो कर पाए कि नहीं? नहीं। दैट इज वाई यू हैव कम टू अस, बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू सस्टेन दैट डाइट दैट हैज बीन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड। हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, आप जो खा रहे हैं उसमें ये एक चेंज लेके आओ। सब्जी खा रहे हो आज, बस कम खा रहे हो, मेक इट हाफ योर प्लेट। ईट सैलड। सैलड सब लोग भूल गए कि ककड़ी का रायता बनता था, सिंपल tomato. I remember my, granny used to, every meal, we used to have something called koshimbir. I come from a Maharashtrian family on the mother's side. Koshimbir was a staple in every meal. Aajkal to koshimbir has gone gayab. Kachumbar ya whatever you say. You need to be including your fruits and vegetables. Fruits preferably first thing in the morning. Otherwise, raw vegetables and cooked vegetables should be half of your plate. You can have pulses, lentils, egg, fish, meat, 90 grams if you look at this whole plate. ये जो आपको 300 ml दिख रहा है, it can be छाछ, preferably because उसमें good bacteria रहता है, right? तो this we can share. We have shared it in the group. Pin भी किया है. हमेशा जब आपको कोई question mark आए, doubt आए, refer to this. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster now. प्रोटीन, क्यों प्रोटीन चाहिए? क्योंकि एक तो प्रोटीन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अवर सेल्यूलर हेल्थ. सेकंड, मैंने क्या क्या बोला था? प्रोटीन बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगता है हमारी बॉडी को उसको डाइजेस्ट करने को. तो जितना टाइम डाइजेस्ट करने में जाएगा, आपको उतना टाइम भूख नहीं लगेगी. कार्ब्स में क्या होता है? फटाफट डाइजेस्ट होता है, स्पेशली प्रोसेस्ड कार्ब्स. इसीलिए हम जब ज्यादा कार्ब्स खाते हैं, इमीडिएटली हमें 11 बजे 12 बजे सुबह भूख लग जाती है. हम जाके चाय बिस्किट खा लेते हैं, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट राइट. अगर आपके मील प्लेट में प्रोटीन ज्यादा कर दिया, ओके, प्लांट प्रोटीन इज ग्रेट. Second thing is, if people tell me, in fact, that we have, meat or fish in every meal, you still need to add vegetables because nothing can compensate the micronutrients that is coming from your vegetables. Okay. So diet-induced thermogenesis, matlab, breaking down, it takes longer. Satiety hormones, metabolic pathways, because it takes longer to break down, your metabolism also increases. Okay. Or energy jo, it doesn't give you an energy spike. Longer energy expenditure के लिए वो help करता है. Fibers. Fiber लोग ज्यादा importance नहीं देते हैं. इस प्रोग्राम में हम बार बार बोलते हैं increase your fiber intake. I will show you a way how you can. In fact, I think last session में हमने fiber के बारे में बात किया. Fiber is very very important in weight management, weight loss and management. It lowers your GI, which is your glycemic index. मतलब आपका sugar spike नहीं होगा when you take fiber in advance of your meals. Okay. Now the fiber that we have is both soluble and insoluble. You can also please add salads, which are a good form of fiber. And morning में आप fruits खाओ, increases your satiety. मतलब ज़्यादा time तक आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी, full लगेगा. आपका जो gut microbiota है, okay, all of that gets balanced much more easily, and it reduces your fat absorption. In the end, what happens? Fiber जब आप खाते हो, optimum amount of fiber, it will help you with your weight loss and improved health. अभी we talked about microbiota. Microbiota क्या है? हमारे अंदर digestive system में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे छोटे, I don't know the right word in Hindi, but bacteria, all of that is there, right? Now there is good one also and not so good one. Bacteroidetes is the good bacteria, which if you have more of that in your body, it will, help you with weight loss. Whereas firmicutes, agar zyada hai, तो you will get acidity, you will get weight gain, all of the other issues that you will see. अभी क्या होता है जब हम processed food खाते हैं या lower carbs or whatever, firmicutes बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं and they increase and hence weight gain happens. हमें क्या चाहिए सबसे ज्यादा? We need in our body is the good bacteria. Okay, so hence good health is very important. अभी मैंने आपको क्या बोला? Weight management में सब्जी एक, all your vegetables, fruits, etc. are also very important क्योंकि उनसे हमें micronutrients मिलते हैं. You need to supplement with a multivitamin as well. Do take a daily plus, which helps you get all the vitamins and minerals. क्यों चाहिए? अगर आपका डाइट विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स में डेफिशिएंट है, ओके, आपको एक भूख जैसी लगेगी. सेम थिंग मीन्स इफ अगर कम सब्जी है मतलब आपका कार्ब्स ज्यादा है, राइट? कार्ब्स ज्यादा है तो जल्दी भूख लगेगी बिकॉज द एनर्जी स्पाइक्स, इट गोज डाउन easy faster, increases appetite, and hence you keep eating more food. If you have a balanced diet and आपका food में विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स भी आ रहा है, तो एपेटाइट रेगुलेशन में हेल्प करता है, मतलब भूख बार बार नहीं लगेगी, आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स लो नहीं हो जाएंगे. इनफैक्ट व्हेन you will see कि if your energy levels are very low and all of that, the first thing the doctor says is check your vitamin B, B12 and all of that, right? That's micronutrients deficiency. Then you check your iron as well for ladies. Optimal body function and health, it will help you with weight loss and weight maintenance. Now, हमने few slides पहले क्या बात किया, कैलोरी इनटेक वर्सेस आउट. नाउ हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल कि कितने कैलोरीज खा सकते हैं. एंड मेरा ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन होता था जब मैं वेट लॉस कर रही थी, ठीक है. तो we have a solution and a organic solution where you can have a meal replacement. Now, how do you replace a meal? Meal replacement is easy for us to control the calories, right? आप क्या खा रहे हो, at the same time you're not losing on nutrition. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, मैं meal replacement नहीं लूंगी, I will just eat a bowl of salad. That is not enough. You need everything. You just don't need fiber from your salad, right? You just don't need the micronutrients. You need everything. What we have, okay, it will help you. And another thing, it will help you feel full as well. FSSAI, अपना जो फूड सेफ्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, दे हैव प्रिस्क्राइब्ड कि आपका जो मील रिप्लेसमेंट कैसे होना चाहिए. वी हैव adhered, जो हमारे पास जो न्यूट्रीलाइट का मील रिप्लेसमेंट है, it has adhered to all of this and beyond. I would say and beyond. Okay, even beyond what FSSAI mandates. So you can be assured कि जब आप मील रिप्लेस कर रहे हो, आप सही तरह से मील रिप्लेस कर रहे हो, आपको कोई नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स नहीं होगा, आपको चक्कर नहीं आने वाली है, आपको ना कोई बीमारी होने वाली है, none of that. Keep that aside. Now, what do we have as our weight management solution? I spoke of fiber, correct? Protein की जरूरत है, so we have all plant protein powder plus ये जो meal replacement. There is a basket that you can avail of. I'm not going to get into that. ये जो, but I want to talk about the meal replacement. कि वो meal replacement है क्या? ठीक, आपको लेना है 2 स्कूप 10 ग्राम्स का प्रोटीन पाउडर, छोटे 4.5 ग्राम्स का स्कूप आता है फाइबर का, उसका 2 स्कूप लेना है. एक 350 ml का पानी में डालना है, और लेना है 2 स्कूप ये मील रिप्लेसमेंट शेक का. आते हैं 2 फ्लेवर्स में, एक वैनिला एंड वन इज कॉफी. It's a flavor. Don't worry. Even if you have it in the night at 7 o'clock, it's not going to keep you awake because it doesn't have caffeine, right? It's more about the taste. Now, why this? Why we are saying only Nutrilite shake is because there is no added preservatives, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. It's actually the natural flavor that is added there. Plus, it doesn't end there. I'll come back to this. It has all the vitamins and minerals जो WHO recommend करती है and FSSAI recommend करता है, that is required in one balanced meal. आप कुछ भी करो, घर में जितना भी आप सोचो कि बैलेंस मील आप खाना बना के परोसोगे, you will never get all the nutrients. This will give you. Again, but that doesn't mean कि आप breakfast, lunch and dinner तीनों ही replace करो. No, only go for one meal replacement, either the breakfast or the dinner, preferably dinner. Okay, so ये जो meal replacement है shake है, उसमें सब कुछ, all the 25 essential vitamins and minerals are there. Now, it gives you with protein and fiber, it gives you fullness as well. तो जो मैंने बोला, अगर आपने पानी में ले लिया, right, you will get 22, 1 second, yeah, with 300 ml of water and 2 scoops of Nutrilite APP, you will also get 22 grams of protein in it. तो आपका रात का जो प्रोटीन है शाम का, that will also be ticked off. प्रोटीन तो रात को भी चाहिए क्योंकि रिपेयर में आपकी बॉडी रिपेयर में जाती है. यू नीड मोर प्रोटीन इन द मॉर्निंग, बट दिस विल हेल्प विद दैट. वो जो फाइबर मैंने बोला ऐड करेंगे, उसमें से 6.3 ग्राम्स फाइबर में मिल जाएगा. Finally, it also has added Garcinia cambogia. What does this help with? It is an anti-obesity fruit, yeah, botanical, that you can say. It helps in energy, reduces energy intake, regulation of serotonin, which is your happy hormone, it'll make you feel good as well, provide satiety, fullness, helps keep your weight in check. Plus, अभी जो जिनको डायबिटीज वगैरह है वो पूछेंगे हम ले सकते हैं क्या? आप प्लीज चेक तो कर दीजिए डेफिनेटली विद फरूक, बट आई कैन टेल यू दिस कि इट विल नॉट स्पाइक योर शुगर्स. व्हाई? क्योंकि इसका ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स भी लो है. with water and 2 scoops of all plant protein, your glycemic index is only 23. And glycemic load, yani what is the volume with which, at pace at which your sugar is released, or that is released, is so low, 2.3. You can't get any food lower than this, or even at this level. So you can be assured कि आपका sugar spike नहीं होगा. Your energy will be sustained, and because it is not spiking, it is sustained, you don't feel hungry as well. ठीक है? So I've given you enough benefits of the meal replacement. आपका जो target है, this will definitely help. It helped me tremendously. In a week, at least 5 रात को, I used to replace my meals during my weight loss journey. Today, I have it sometime, not very often because I'm on a maintenance phase, but my daughter also takes it. I give it to her as a wholesome drink in the evening, just to get her energy levels, to get all the nutrition. So it's actually a very, very good shake as well. Instead of a Bonvita or something, this is absolutely fabulous to have. So if you reduce your weight, it reduces the risk of chronic diseases, boosts your energy levels, mental health also improves, and overall quality of life, right? So yes, as we say in this program, shine every day. Start your day with gratitude. Have your nutrition. Just khana is not giving you the nutrition that you require, unfortunately, because of various factors. So please supplement with the right supplement, which is coming from Nutrilite. Intentions. Since we are talking about weight loss or weight management, visualize कि आपको कैसे दिखना है. Do you have an older picture where you were, thinner, or do you have a dress? जो say I just can relate to it, so hence I'm saying शादी का जोड़ा अभी पहन नहीं सकते, but I want to fit into it. Whatever it is, keep that in front of you. Keep that goal, and you need to see it. Where what do you see the most often? I think it's our mobiles, right? Mobile के screen में रखो. It helped me. I had done that. Learn something new every day. Exercise daily. जितना भी आप मील रिप्लेस करोगे, जितना भी आप कैलोरीज कंट्रोल करोगे, yes, you will be able to reduce, but it cannot be sustainable अगर आपने exercise नहीं किया. Start with walking, but as Farooq said at the start of the session, along with walking, you also need to start building your muscle. But first start losing your weight as well, right? Because what we need to lose is our fat, right? We are looking at fat loss rather than muscle loss. So जब fat loss हो रहा है, immediately you replace it with muscles, increase in muscle. जब muscle increase होता है तो वापस वो fat उसके ऊपर बैठ नहीं पाता है. Fat can easily sit on fat, okay, but not on muscle. This is something that I learned from Farooq again. Well, just to show you, this is how I looked. In fact, I had a other photo. I didn't have the time to actually put it here. Yesterday, I went to meet a family, and I was meeting the kid. बच्चा है 5-6 साल का बच्चा है आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो उसको फोटोज दिखा रही थी कि भाई आई मेट यू 3 साल पहले, और जब आप बेबी थे, और जब बेबी वाला जो फोटो था, इट वाज 2019 वाला फोटो. ही वाज लाइक ये मोटी आंटी कौन है? एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाफिंग बिकॉज आई वाज हैप्पीली लाफिंग. उसने मोटी बोला, दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट I was feeling good because he didn't recognize that this was the same person sitting next to him, showing him. And it made a difference because his Bua started asking me, Veda, I've seen you a different Veda earlier. How have you done it? And you're sustained. I have sustained it since 2021. Yes, 2023 mein I did gain 4-5 kgs, but I have not gained further. I've been able to sustain. There is a long way to go. I still need to, reduce. But this program is special. If you can just stick on, if you can just share your plates, if you can just report every day, what are you eating? What is your total calories? आप exercise क्या कर रहे हो दिन में? आपका वजन क्या है? What is your what are the supplements that you're taking. This is what we did. If you forget reporting, say for 10 days, कोई बात नहीं, कोई आपको जेल नहीं भेजने वाला है. 11th day, start reporting again. This is what we did. What helps is when you report, दूसरे लोग भी report करेंगे. दूसरों के देख के आप report करोगे. And that's how, we as a group actually were able to lose weight. It's not just me. There are many others like me. You heard Deepika, I think, on Monday. You've seen Manoj earlier. All of us have been able to do क्योंकि हम साथ थे तभी उस journey में, right? And it's not just weight. You feel confident. XXL का जो size के कपड़े थे अभी, I can even wear a medium वाला size. Look at my skin. Skin has become better. I hope कि मुझे देख के और मेरा जर्नी देख के और ये पूरा सेशन सुन के I have been able to help you take that one decision कि I will restart my journey or I will continue my journey. Okay, whether it is weight loss or gaining health, anything, right? Okay, so that's it from my side. Handing it back to you, Ruchita, if you're around.
I have additionally put that other picture of the transformation, which we absolutely love. And thank you so much for explaining that so beautifully. As I said in the beginning, guys, we're learning from people who have walked the talk, who've made the transformation in themselves and are now helping others do it. I hope you have those takeaways. With that, we come to an end of this session.